Hello, you are welcome. In this video, I will give some basic applications and use cases of Student Mitra. How you can use it to analyze your subject knowledge. Let's get started. So, after signing in to your account, you will see your dashboard. If you don't have an account, you can just create it. As you can see, there is nothing in my dashboard because I haven't completed any test yet. So just go on test section and complete a test. As you can see, your active subject list is empty because I haven't added any subject in my active subject list. So just star on any subject and mark it as active subject. Let me give some test. After completing test, you have option to review and close. I recommend review. Here you can see you have skipped 2 questions. You got 5 wrong and 3 right answers. And here you can see what was wrong and what is the correct answer, and you can also learn in detail on clicking these link, and it will redirect you some useful resources. So after completing test, now you can see your dashboard. I have just completed DA test and I got 30% mark. So I can see here I have 30% mark in DA, and I can see individual subjects progress too. For example, first time I got 30% in DA, and based on the performance I will be getting some recommended learning. For example, here I am getting some dark questions in my recommendation, and unique thing is that these questions will not be same each time. These questions will be changing each time. For example, you can see this time is new question. Every time I will visit this page, I will got some new questions from the DA subject, and you will be wondering why you are not getting CD recommendation, because you haven't given any test in CD. So we don't know you are weak or you are strong in CD. So based on your test on your active subject, recommended learning will be given on your weak subject. For example, let me quickly finish another test. I got 1 mark. Let me close it, and now you can see I got 10% in CD and 30% in DAA, and now I can see my CD individual progress. And now I will be getting recommended learning based on CD compiler design. Output of semantic analyzer is parse tree, like that, so that I can improve my weak subject. Coming to the next feature, that is select subject and active subject. These are similar, but subject mark will not counted in progress because these are only for practice purpose. Unique thing is that you can select multiple subjects and you can start your test. Questions will come from all of the selected subject, and in active subject you just need to start and question will appear from all your active subjects. And in play with friends, you can create room and share room ID with your friends and play with friends like any other games. Let me show some example. Like I am creating room with room ID 333. After creating, I can just enter ID and join, and I can share it with my friend. As you can see, I am host, so I can start the test and I can select the game level. If I will share this ID with my friends, they also can enter the ID and join the same room. Also, here is feature like chatting. I can chat in game with my friends. For example, I can ask them to select which subject and which mode in between game. So let's start hard mode. For example, I need to select. So as soon as you will start the test, all the players test will be started automatically. Let me start and let me complete this test, skipping all the questions for quick purpose. As you can see in leaderboard, my marks, if there are other players, then their mark also will be reflected here. Let me explain explore page. Basically this is your news feed of students or users who are using this student mitra. For example, I can see the update from Divyanshu, this academic calendar, and other thoughts. I can see like post something, and you can also post something like hello, good morning, or you have any doubt, then you can ask with your friends like what is null safety, what is null safety. Let me correct this. You can also upload images. Just you need to select some image and upload that. Uploading. After uploading, you will got some message like uploaded, and you can just post it, and your post will be showing here. So this is all about explore page. Next thing is if you have any questions or any feedback, or any you are facing any problem, you can just fill out the report or feedback form. And also here is profile option, where you can give some information of your profile, and you can remove your active subjects from here too, and you can edit your profile, you can update your profile picture. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to try it out.